Welcome to a new session. Today we are going to study power of a lens, and last we will do two numerical problems based on this. What is power of a lens? Power of a lens is the degree of convergence or divergence of light rays achieved by lenses. That is, if a lens converge or diverge light rays more, then that lens is said to have more power than the other. So it is measured as the reciprocal of focal length, or it is defined as the reciprocal of focal length. So power of a lens P is equal to 1 by F. So this equation defines that if F is less, that is, a lens with a short focal length has the ability to converge or diverge light rays more. We can see that by drawing two figures. One is a lens with a shorter focal length, that is only this much. We call it is f1, and here it is f1, and a lens with a bigger or larger focal length, so that this much is the focal length for this lens. We can denote it as f2. What happens to the rays? This ray will converge more than this ray. So in the first case, the ray will converge more by focusing them closer to the optical center. In the same way, you can see for a concave lens, lens of very short focal length causes higher divergence than one with a longer focal length. So power of a lens is the degree of convergence or divergence of light rays achieved by that lens. It is defined as the reciprocal of focal length, that is P is equal to 1 by F. We know focal length of convex lens is taken as positive. Therefore, power of convex lens is also positive. In the same way, focal length of concave lens is taken as negative. Therefore, power of concave lens is also negative. Now, we are going to study SI unit of power of lens. SI unit of power of lens is diopter. It is denoted by capital letter D. When the power is equal to 1 diopter, it can be obtained if focal length is 1 meter. So what is 1 diopter? 1 diopter is defined as the power of a lens with a focal length 1 meter. So we can say this is equal to 1 meter raised to minus 1. You may familiar with the corrective lenses for eyes prescribed by opticians. It may have powers minus 0.25 diopter 0.5 diopter, 2 diopter, like that. For minus 0.25 diopter, what is this minus means? It simply means it is a concave lens. And what is 0.25 diopter? We can obtain 0.25 diopter if focal length is equal to 4 meter. So, if focal length is equal to 4 meter, then power P is equal to 1 by 4 and that is equal to 0.25. If it is minus, then it is concave lens, and if it is plus, it is convex lens. Now 0.5 diopter can be obtained if focal length is 2 meter, and for 2 diopter the focal length of lens is 0.5 meter. So the power of lens says about the focal length of that lens used, and the sign indicates the type of lens used, that is convex or concave. For understanding it, we are going to do 2 numericals from the exercise related to power of a lens. First question is question number 16 from the exercise. Find the focal length of a lens of power minus 2 diopter. What type of lens is this? It is a very simple question. We know the equation for power of a lens P is equal to 1 by F. Here it is given power of a lens is minus 2 diopter. Substituting the value in the above equation, you will get minus 2 is equal to 1 by F, or F is equal to 1 by minus 2 meter, and that is equal to 0.5 meter minus. So we calculated focal length of this lens is equal to 0.5 meter, and we know it is negative. Negative shows which type of the lens is this one, and if the focal length is negative or power is negative, then that lens is concave. So here P is negative or F is negative, therefore the lens is concave, or we can say it is a diverging lens. Now we are going to solve another numerical problem, that is question number 17 in the exercise. A doctor has prescribed a corrective lens of power plus 1.5 diopter. Find the focal length of the lens. Is the prescribed lens diverging or converging? Again, we know power of a lens is equal to 1 by focal length, or we can say focal length of a lens is 1 by its power. Here power is given as plus 1.5 diopter. Since power is positive, we can easily say lens is convex or converging. We can easily calculate the focal length by putting the value of power in this equation. So F is equal to 1 by 1.5, that is equal to 0.67 meter. You can also observe that F is also positive. We know if F is positive, lens is convex, that is converging. So by looking either P is positive or F is positive, you can say whether the lens is diverging or converging. So here we calculated focal length of the lens is 0.67 meter, and since P is positive, lens is convex or converging. So we solve two numericals based on power of a lens. So in this video we studied power of a lens. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it. Also please like and share this video.